In today's video, we are going to show you how to invite your accountant to Xero so they can help manage your books, review reports, and keep everything running smoothly. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Inside the dashboard, I want you to hover on the top left corner where you can see your profile name. There is a drop-in menu and I want you to click the gear icon, which is the settings. Inside the settings, hover until you find the users, wherein you can invite new users, manage permissions, or delete current users. But in our case, what we're gonna do is invite a new user by clicking the blue button on the top right corner. Type in your accountant's first name and last name, the email address, and make sure it's correct because this is where the invitation will be sent. Now, this part is also important. You'll need to choose what access your accountant has. Okay, so you'll choose the projects wherein you are allowing your accountant to access projects. But if you want to give the business and accounting, like the accountant has access to any of all of the invoicing and bills, bank accounts, reports, settings, and manage users, you can do that. Click the second button, or for the projects, you can do that. Like say, for example, limited, it's up to you, or standard, or admin. Now at the bottom, there is an option for you to personalize the invite. Click the add a message, and then you can type in your message and click the send invite. It's super simple. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to invite your accountant in Xero. It's super quick and makes the collaboration easier. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.